Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to create the GTA filter trend video on TikTok. First, open the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type AI Mirror and search for it. Once you find the AI Mirror app, tap on it and then tap Install. Wait for the installation to complete. After the app is installed, open it. You might see a few introductory screens. Tap on Skip if you want to skip them. When prompted, tap on Allow to give the app notification permission. In the AI Mirror app, go to the game section. Scroll down until you find the GTA filter. Tap on the GTA filter, then tap Continue. Choose the picture you want to use for the filter from your gallery. Adjust the area scale of the picture as needed. Tap on Draw to apply the filter. Once the process is done, tap on Try Free. You will see a page offering a yearly plan for purchase. Instead of purchasing, tap on Continue to proceed without paying. Then tap on Subscribe. Now that your filtered picture is ready, open the TikTok app. In TikTok, use the search function to look for GTA filter. Find a video that uses the GTA filter and tap on CapCut Try this template. Tap on Use the template in CapCut. Once in CapCut, tap on Use template. Select the picture you created with the AI Mirror app. Follow the prompts to apply the template and edit your video. After editing, you can share your new GTA filter video on TikTok directly from CapCut. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.